Ready to move your crypto from Goteo to Binance with ease? First, on Binance, head to your wallet and click on Deposit Crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing from Goteo. For this example, let's say it's USDT. This is super important. Choose the correct network that's compatible with Goteo. Turk20 is a common and cost-effective option, but always double-check which networks Goteo supports for that specific coin. Binance will then give you a deposit address. Copy this. Now switch over to Goteo. Go to your wallet, find the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing, and select Withdraw. Paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the withdrawal address field. Again, confirm you're selecting the exact same network you chose on Binance. Mismatched networks can lead to lost funds. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Goteo will show you the withdrawal fee and the final amount you'll receive. Review all the details carefully. Complete any security verification steps Goteo requires, like two-factor authentication. After confirming, your withdrawal is initiated. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Keep an eye on both your Goteo withdrawal history and your Binance deposit history for updates. Now you know how to transfer crypto from Goteo to Binance.